Bullish Hedera Hbar cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.68,055 and $0.84,105 by 2030. Market experts accept Hbar could reach $364.43 by 2025. Negative Hedera market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.08321. Hedera Hbar presentation. Computer programmer Lehman Baird and mechanical chief Mance Harmon in the Hedera administering chamber formulated the Hedera Hashgraph. In 2015, Baird and Harmon sent off Swirls as an essential coalition to develop and run a live framework, Hedera. Using its advancement, Swirls turned out an association called Hedera, a while later renamed Hedera Hashgraph. Through an unmistakable obligation to impending symbolic contributions, Hedera Hashgraph has produced $124 million by selling its Hbar digital currency in 2018. Hedera Hashgraph, which appeared as a confidential organization, means to dynamically allow different organizations to join the organization before it is made public later. What is the Hedera Hbar? The Hedera Hashgraph cryptographic money, an extraordinary sort of blockchain, is where the digital currency Hedera is found. Arrangements, dApps, and virtual monetary standards are undeniably powered by the Hedera Hashgraph. Another variety of the strong proof agreement calculation is utilized to help the Hedera Hashgraph, and the Hbar money gives motivations to value-based validators. Large bosses, including Deutsche Telekom, IBM, Boeing, LG, Google, T-Portable, Nomura, and others, own and run Hedera. Hedera Hbar Specialized Investigation. The investigation of products utilizing outline examples to check the Hbar coin cost expectation and different standards is known as specialized examination, or TA. It is a strategy for breaking down the market utilizing signals and uniquely planned devices. Market members can involve this technique to distinguish equivalent opportunities for exchanging or venture and check the Hedera Hashgraph Hbar cost expectation. Typically, specialized investigation depends on verifiable information about a resource, like market, turnover, and so forth, which uncover designs that can be used to foresee what is probably going to happen. The investigation of resources utilizing specialized markers is known as specialized examination TA. A market cap examination technique utilizes pointers made explicitly for the undertaking. Contingent upon the conditions, brokers and financial backers utilize this technique to recognize open doors for exchanges or speculations. Specialized examination might be founded on past data about a resource, like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovered patterns that can be utilized to foresee what is probably going to happen. Signs of digital money in light of specialized examination. Specialized investigation of computerized monetary forms can be led utilizing an assortment of line diagrams and graph designs. Clients entranced by specialized investigation can concentrate on the most extreme cost, market cap, normal cost, greatest worth, Hedera Hashgraph cost estimate, or some other information related with the Hedera cost gauge utilizing the basic pointers gave beneath. Ichimoku marker. Ichimoku is a pattern indicator that seems unpredictable, however, is generally straightforward. This single Japanese marker was made to show underwriting levels, show what is happening, and ready clients when a propensity is probably going to be switched. The stochastic marker. The stochastic offers experts a one-of-a-kind method for distinguishing cost changes by computing the distance between the ongoing chart book esteem and the most profound low over the past X time frame. Then, this length is parted by the hole between the least cost and the greatest expense during a similar time period. One issue that should be settled prior to exchanging cryptographic forms of money is essential examination. Key investigation can provide the merchant with a feeling of what cash control and hypothesis will mean for digital currencies and how to push ahead. Hedera is presently worth $114.12. Hbar has moved 0.88% as of now with an exchanging volume of $54.058,808. Hedera is presently positioned 37 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $3,507,253,864. Using the general strength record RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity MACD from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Hedera Hbar to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Hedera Hbar Value Forecast 2023. Hedera, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. Hbar. The Hbar cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part. potentially coming to $156,018. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $29.45 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Hbar is supposed to have a base worth of $0.24 in 2015. Hedera Hbar Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Hedera Hbar cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Hbar will before long outperform onto $60,031. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Hbar's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Hbar will exchange with a base exchanging cost of onto $80.25 and a typical exchanging cost of onto $20.88 and 27. Hedera Hbar Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $60.40.43 and Hbar might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Hbar is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of onto $30.28 and 39 and a low of onto $12,037 in 2025. Hedera Hbar Value Forecast 2026. Assuming Hedera effectively helps market opinion among digital currency fans, the Hbar coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Hbar will be green in 2026. The Hbar is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $68,055, with a base cost of $4.16.49 and a typical cost of $4.36,852. Hedera Hbar Value Forecast 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Hbar cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.48 and 64 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.20,062 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Hbar has a most extreme value worth of $5.70.2068. Hedera Hbar Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $640.876. In the event that Hbar figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.607608. Neglecting to assemble the help Hbar needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $620.4074. Hedera Hbar Value Expectation 2029. While Hbar